Setting up your Xfinity internet is quick and straightforward with the Xfinity app. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to activate your service seamlessly. First, download the Xfinity app from the App Store or Google Play Store once installed. After installed, open the app. Then, once using your Xfinity ID and password. If you don't have an Xfinity ID, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Then, after signing in, the app will prompt you to activate your equipment. Tap on Activate Your Equipment. Ensure your modem or gateway is properly connected to the coaxial cable and powered on. Wait for the device to boot up. This may take a few minutes. The Xfinity app will detect your connected device automatically. If prompted, confirm the device information displayed on the screen. Set up your Wi-Fi network by choosing a unique name and a strong password. Set up your Wi-Fi network by choosing unique name and a strong password. This ensures a secure and personalized network. This app will finalize the activation process, which may take a few minutes. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Xfinity internet is active. And that's it. You have successfully activated your Xfinity internet using the Xfinity app. Enjoy your new connection, and for more helpful guide, don't forget to like and subscribe.